Hey everybody, so here's the press, just a simple wooden press. It's about 12 by 12 inches with 5 inches of pressing depth pretty much. I've got one that I just did right here. So you can see it's got some pretty nice detail. And then there's the stamp that we designed and 3D printed to go into it. You can see some of the layer lines have transferred, but we can always go back and smooth those out. So I've got this piece of leather right here. We're going to try a new one on. Just wetted it with warm water. Now we're going to find the best spot for the stamp to go into it. Probably right about there. This stamp actually accounts for the border and the stitching, so once you press it, you just have to cut around the border. So we're going to put it right there. This piece is a half of a wet mold. And we're going to position it right in the middle. And there's a couple of screws at the bottom that we've actually used to secure this plate to it, which are right in the center, which is a good indicator of where to put the actual stamp. And then just screw it down. It wiggles a little bit just because the holes are just slightly bigger than the actual threaded rod. That's why it's wobbling a bit. So once it gets down close, check to make sure that it's in position. Looks like we're a little too far in on the one side. Just seat her down on the stamp itself. And then just start pressing. You can pretty much do it one-handed. You can definitely tell when it's starting to really press against it. But if you have a look at the plans, there's a reason why I recommend putting so many screws into it, because it's under a lot of pressure. But it seems to hold up, which is good. Maybe we'll give her one more. One more if it'll let me. No, it's not going to let me. It's compressed it as much as it can. It's starting to compress the bottom board. I've got a 12 by 12 plate of, I think it's 16 gauge steel I'm going to put on here just to keep it from bowing. But it does a pretty good job. We'll let it sit just for a second as it squishes it. That should be enough time. Release the pressure. Squish the water right out of it. Look at that. Look at that. Squish the water right out of the leather. So I'd say it does a pretty good job for being wood. But if you want the plans for it, they're on the website. And takes a couple hours to put together with some basic tools you might have just lying around in the garage. So there you go. So there's one freshly stamped one, and there's one that's just a little bit drier. So beats buying $100 and some odd Arbor press.